Okay, quick update on the bus. I've been working all week on it actually. I'd have done another video throughout the week, but watching someone sand jams is probably got to be one of the most boring things there is. I know last time I posted we were working around the back side of this thing. Over here in the corner you can see I was actually working there, and I got a bunch of the holes welded up. But to fix this lower section was going to take a little more room than what I had over here. So I decided before I flip the bus or move the bus over, I better get the passenger side done, because we had some rain come through and we know bare metal and water don't mix. So I went through and I started sanding out the bottom sides of the drip rails, and around the windows I've cut in the old rubbers because I have the windows in still, trying to be nice on the interior. We're gonna save that. Went through, removed cleaned all these up. We did put primer on this. Last time I think you guys saw it, it was just in glaze. We've gone in and sanded out the door track, and we have it all cleaned up. Now we're gonna spray our second coat of primer on this rear quarter panel. It actually came out really nice. Also at the same time, I did the slider's door. So you can see here, we blocked out the slider door and we have in it in primer also. Got the window out of it, did the entire jambs. So the outside of the slider door has been primered also and is ready. Looking pretty good. Here in a little bit I am going to primer the rest of the jambs and underneath the drip rail and rear window, and door jamb. So we're gonna come in and get all this done in primer after sanding it all out, and then we'll move into the floor, the inside from there, after we have the seat and everything out. So here's a few photos of the work we did on the door and throughout the week. Sorry, I've just been busy and trying not to quit on this thing. It's just so much work, hand sanding. So hope you enjoy the photos that I do have, and I'll see you again soon.